What's going on here? Little accident in Southfield. Don't know what's going on, but let me see if I can ask few people question. Yeah, it's just a little accident. What's going on? You good? Yeah, not much. Wow, look at it over there. I just got to shoot the airbag. It's out. Fire. Not too much. Don't think
Not the
there's
undercover
some.
police car again. How in the fuck did you?
Look at the car over there. And I suspected as much that the victim is in the ambulance. So yeah, I thank the police force and also the firefighters. They came immediately to rescue, but I think nobody is no injured person. I don't think if there is. Okay, look at this one over here. See it over there. Also, the airbag is out, and there's no body inside the car. Yes. So far so good. No death. So far so good, no death.